I almost quit affiliate marketing. I had Les Brown playing every single morning, feeling fired up by 7 a.m. and completely lost by noon. Then I started running every shiny object through one single question, and that's when everything shifted. And look, if you've been using daily motivation, Les Brown style, cranking up those speeches on repeat, writing affirmations on your mirror, feeling like you could run through a wall before breakfast, I get it. I was right there with you. But here's what nobody talks about. That fire you feel at 7 a.m., it has a shelf life. By lunchtime, you're scrolling through another YouTube video about some brand new traffic method. By dinner, you're signing up for another course. And by the end of the month, you're basically back at zero, wondering what happened to all that energy you had. The problem isn't the motivation. Les Brown has spent over 5 decades helping people believe in what's possible. The man's message is real. His energy is real. But here's the thing. Motivation without a filter is just entertainment. You feel good. You nod along. You say, that's exactly what I needed to hear. And then you go do 17 different things that cancel each other out. I know, because that was me. I'd hear Les Brown say, commit yourself and the how will come. And I'd get so fired up, I'd commit to 3 things at once. A new funnel strategy, a new traffic source, a new product to promote. I thought doing more meant progressing more. Turns out, it just meant I was really busy going absolutely nowhere. So let me give you the filter that changed everything for me. And stick with me here, because there's a specific reason this works so well for anyone following an affiliate marketing for beginners step-by-step path. I'll get to that in a second. Here's the filter. Before you touch any new strategy, any new course, any new tool, ask yourself one question. Does this move me closer to making my next commission? Or is it just making me feel busy? That's it. One question. And I need you to really sit with that, because there's a massive difference between motion and progress. Motion feels productive. You're watching training videos. You're tweaking your landing page colors. You're reading about SEO. You're comparing 10 different platforms. But none of that is progress until it directly connects to getting a commission into your account. That single question killed my shiny object problem almost overnight. And I say almost because the first few times something new and exciting popped up, I still felt that pull. You know what I'm talking about. Someone posts a screenshot of their earnings, claims they found the secret, and suddenly your current path feels boring by comparison. But I'd ask the question, does this move me closer to my next commission? And the answer was almost always no. It just looks exciting. So I'd close the tab and get back to work. Now here's where Les Brown's message actually becomes powerful instead of just inspirational. He talks about focusing on one important thing to make a dramatic difference in your life. One thing, not 12, not whatever's trending this week. One thing that you protect with your focus and your time. When you pair that morning fire, that Les Brown energy, with one clear system you commit to for 90 days, something shifts. The motivation actually has somewhere to go. It compounds instead of evaporating by noon. You're not restarting from scratch every few weeks. You're building on what you did yesterday and the day before that and the week before that. Think about it. The people who actually win at this aren't smarter than you. They're not more talented. They didn't find some magic traffic source you haven't heard of. They just protected their focus long enough for compounding to kick in. They stayed on one path while everyone else kept jumping to the next shiny thing. And that's when something wild starts to happen. You wake up in the morning, check your phone, And there's a commission notification from something you set up 2 weeks ago. Not because you worked through the night, because a system was running while you slept. That's not a fantasy. That's what consistent, focused execution inside one system actually produces over time. So let me ask you something right now. How many times have you restarted in the last 6 months? How many courses are sitting half finished? How many strategies did you try for 4 days before moving on? If the answer makes you uncomfortable, good. That discomfort is the gap between where you are and where you want to be. And the only thing standing in that gap is your willingness to pick one path and stay on it long enough to see what happens. Stop letting daily motivation, Les Brown speeches be the highlight of your day. Let them be the fuel that powers actual execution on an actual plan. Discipline isn't just something you feel, it's something you do every single day, even when it's boring. Especially when it's boring, because boring and consistent beats exciting and scattered every single time. By the way, if you want to see what it actually looks like to pick one path and stay on it, my masterclass and turnkey residual income system at homebizsimple.com